Alright, welcome to Slipstream Wash. I came up with a new idea for a doormat. Here in Michigan, the environment's extremely harsh and it's really wears out doormats prematurely because of the seemingly endless snow, mud, wet seasons and wiping off boots and shoes and what have you. And I really got sick of buying cheapy doormats, even though the best ones you can buy, like these, are only going to last so long. They're only going to take so much foot wiping and stuff. I really got sick of it, and they really don't work very good. So I went to the scrapyard. I found this nice piece of old grate, and it's cut to fit perfectly. Fits on my slab like that, and you can see how beefy this is. See how thick those slots are. And what this was traction plating for catwalk, but you could use lots of other type of heavy grating too. And this is perfect for wiping my muddy boots and shoes off before I go in the house. And this is never going to wear out. This is going to last the rest of my life. And it really doesn't look very bad. In fact, it looks kind of better, if anything. And it was cheap. I got this for, I don't know, a couple bucks or something from the scrapyard, but you could buy this new from your local big box or other hardware sources, or you might even be able to find a piece like this. I thought it was just a really good idea. I wanted to share it with you guys. The endless doormat, the forever doormat, that's what I should have called it. Alright, I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.